Welcome to Georgian College, where your journey in the skilled trades begins. The Construction Techniques program offered in Muskoka and Owen Sound is your pathway to the trades through hands-on experiential learning. Embark on a one-year adventure spread over 2 semesters, where you'll gain practical experience across a variety of trades, including carpentry, cabinetry, plumbing, electrical, small engine mechanic, HVAC and gas technician, and computer-assisted drafting.
I really enjoy working with my hands. I feel like this is a career path that ticks all the boxes.
Our faculty are not just teachers, they're industry professionals bringing their expertise from the field directly to you.
We start off learning safety on all the machines, work our way through 6 projects, ending in an end table. I think the course sets up the student to take on almost any woodworking project.
When I saw construction techniques, I was like, this has to be the course for me. It will teach me multiple trades in one go, and then I could choose which to pursue from there.
Whether you enter the workforce as a general laborer, pursue an apprenticeship, or transfer credits to continue your education in a trade-specific program at Georgian, Construction Techniques is the pathway to your future.
I chose it because I didn't really have an idea what trade I wanted to get into. After being here for a semester, I learned plumbing is sort of my thing.
We go through all the basic materials, how you cut them, how you join them. The students will leave the course with the knowledge of how to work in the trade successfully and safely.
I'm from Muskoka. I want to do something local, and I like the idea of exposing yourself to many trades. I was undecided, so getting that exposure to as many different things was a big bonus for me.
Georgian College's Construction Techniques program. Join us in the fall or winter semester and start building your new career at one of Ontario's top colleges for graduate employment. Visit GeorgianCollege.ca/COTE to learn more.